June 18th, 1815.
The morning mist clears over Waterloo's muddy fields. Napoleon Bonaparte, Emperor of the French, Master of Europe, stands ready with 73,000 men on an empty battlefield. Wellington never showed up. British are still having tea somewhere.
Ah, a proper cuppa.
The Prussians? Still lost in the woods, probably?
Instead, the French army is about to face something that will make them question everything they know about warfare. The AH-64 Apache, humanity's deadliest attack helicopter.
Dropped into a battle fought with muskets and cannons.
So what happens when 200 years of military evolution meets the most decisive battle of the 19th century?
Let's establish the absurdity here. In this corner, weighing in at 8 tons of American military-industrial complex, the Apache. And enough firepower to ruin anyone's baguette breakfast. In the other corner, the Grande Armée. 73,000 soldiers who've conquered most of Europe.
Using tactics that Napoleon literally wrote the book on. They have horses, which are basically 1815's version of all-terrain vehicles. They've got smoothbore muskets accurate to maybe 50 yards on a good day. Cannons that fire solid iron balls using gunpowder measured with actual scoops. Their idea of advanced technology is putting a bayonet on a stick.
Their communication system is guys with flags.
Their targeting computer is a Frenchman squinting really hard. First contact. The sound hits first. That distinctive rotor thump echoes across the valley. Half of Napoleon's army thinks it's thunder. The rotor noise alone is causing horses to panic from a mile away.
Look at this mess. The wheels are completely stuck. We'll never move it in this mud.
What can we do? It's the campaign of 15, soaked as usual.
Then physics arrives, traveling at Mach 1.3. Explosion. With its powerful shockwave, it doesn't just destroy the cannon. It kills or fatally wounds everyone nearby.
A single hellfire can easily destroy a tank.
So immense, monster.
So imagine its effect on an army with no armored protection.
At the sight of the flying metal bird, nearby crews are struck by a life-changing realization.
They're fighting something that doesn't play by the rules.
After the first strike, Napoleon begins to adapt, despite the confusion. He spreads out his formations.
The Apache's pilot switches to the M2 30 30mm chain gun under its forward fuselage.
Napoleon watches his arm evaporate like morning dew.
Not from casualties.
This is not about playing games, but rather about resource management.
His army is in complete shambles.
And the Apache has done its job.
To crush the last bit of hope.
The flying monster unleashes its remaining ammunition on the army. These are the men who stood firm while Moscow burned around them.
Who held the line at Leipzig when everyone else ran.
Now they're sprinting from a single helicopter.
Napoleon's army is completely defeated.
The Apache lands with 10 minutes of fuel remaining.
Engines shut down.
Sudden silence across the battlefield.
The most one-side battle in human history is over.
Duration, 2.5 hours.
Napoleon's casualties, thousands killed and wounded. The rest break and desert.
Apache's casualties, some paint scratches, and a maintenance light that won't stop blinking.
The helicopter sits in a Belgian field, slowly becoming the world's most confusing archaeological find.
Every nation in Europe will send their best minds to study it. They'll make detailed drawings they don't understand,